is now, it's right at 11 o'clock. And I skipped breakfast this morning because I got up later than usual. So I have these chicken strips in the refrigerator that I wanted to use before they went bad. They've been in the refrigerator for about 3 days. And so I wanted to cook those up. So what I did was I just pan-seared them with some seasoning, and I made me this delicious salad, chopped them up and put them in this delicious salad. It looks so big, but trust me guys, it's mostly just lettuce. So anyway, I cut it up and put it on top of this lettuce with tomatoes, cucumbers, some cheese, and ranch dressing. And this is the seasoning that I used for the chicken. I got this seasoning from Kroger. It's really delicious. My first time using it. And yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty good. All right, and this is going to be my brunch for the day. Hey everybody, sitting here right now doing some work. I'm getting all of the nutritional facts for my recipes today, my keto chicken recipes. I'm gonna try to get all of them done. My goal was to get all of them done. I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish all of them because time has passed and I still have a lot of things on my list of things to do today. I have a lot more to get done. But you guys, I was just, doing the nutritional facts for my keto chili recipe, and I am so thankful that it's not as much as I thought it was going to be. So let me show you guys what it is. So this is for my keto chili, and what I do not like is this right here, the 8.5 total grams of sugar, and that's with me using a no sugar tomato sauce, my homemade tomato sauce. And this is the amount of fiber, which, that's really good. So for 1 cup serving, that's really not bad. You just have to plan your macros out for that day and just be careful not to exceed them. But for 1 cup serving of the soup, I still think that is pretty good. I am going to work on this recipe a little bit before I include it in the recipe book, but I'm going to definitely work on this recipe to see if I can get this down. I think I see a few places where I may be able to cut some, and yeah, I'm gonna work really hard at that because it's important to me that while I'm delivering easy and quick and delicious recipes, it's important to me that I keep you guys within your macros as well. So just know that I'm gonna be working hard at that. I'm gonna be tweaking all of my recipes to make sure they fit within. My goal is to make sure they fit within 30 carbs or less. Anyway, that's my goal. And yeah, but I'm really pleased with where it is right now. It's better than what I thought it was going to be. But anyway, I am craving something sweet. I really am. So I'm going to go in here and see what I can find that will not mess me up for the day. So let's go see. All right, everybody. So I do have these strawberries, and I have this Choc Zero chocolate hazelnut. I think it was Samantha that had asked me about this, asked me if I tried it, and I went on and purchased it. And so let me look at the macros on this. See how many carbs per serving. Okay, 17 dietary fiber. Ooh, 16 grams. Awesome. So how large of a serving do we get? 2 tablespoons. That makes me happy. Oh yeah, so I just hope it tastes as good as I would like for it to. 0 added sugar, sweetened with monk fruit. Ooh, I love me some monk fruit. No sugar alcohols, soy-free, sustainably sourced palm oil. Okay, so let's give this a try. I'm just gonna get a little bit and see if it satisfies my sweet tooth. Again, so this is the Choc Zero chocolate hazelnut keto spread. It's actually called a keto spread. All right, so I just took the wrapper off, and let's see. Oh my goodness, I can smell it already. Okay, so got this. Some got on my finger. Oh my goodness. Okay, so some got on my finger and I just tasted it. And I must say, I am already pleased. Yeah, so this is going to complement my strawberries really well. So guys, in an effort to control my portion size, I'm gonna use this teeny bowl right here. Okay, see that? Very teeny. All right, I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna cut up my strawberries, because while it is very important to watch our sugar, it is important to also watch my portion size and the amount of calories I'm taking in as well. So I'm going to attempt to do that with this here. So I'm just cutting my strawberries like this, cutting them into fours, okay, just so you guys can see. So this is the shape. This is how I'm cutting my strawberries, all right? Angelina's over there making me some coffee, guys, and it smells so good. It smells so good. All right, so that's about 3 strawberries. All right, and I think that's gonna be just enough. That's gonna be just enough to satisfy my sweet tooth. So that's what we got. Now let's put some chocolate over this, chocolate hazelnut. I'm gonna make sure I mix this well. Okay, and it's really thick. I'll let you guys see the inside of this. It's really thick. Okay. It's thick like Nutella. It's a good spread. It's spreadable. So I'm going to drizzle some on my strawberries. Oh, here comes a big drizzle. Ooh. Put that over there. Here we have it, guys. The chocolate covered strawberries with my Choc Zero hazelnut spread. Let's give it a taste. There we go. All right, I'm gonna give it a taste. Yeah. This is good. This will definitely satisfy my sweet tooth. And it is less than 2 tablespoons on here, so I'm good. All right, so this is definitely one that you should try, guys. It is delicious. I'm gonna go finish this off and get back to work, and I'll check back with you guys a little bit later. All right, guys, this is, oh my goodness, this is what it is looking like here in the Bearden neighborhood. Look at our yard. Jeez. It is a blanket of snow. Like, I mean, look at our fountain right there. My Lord, it is freezing. Look at our steps here. She just got to get out there and touch it. You need gloves. Yeah, you do. But yeah, guys, it is freezing. Okay, and it's beautiful. Look at our little tree right there. Can y'all see? Look at the tree. But yeah, this is what it's looking like here. Now let me get inside. It's cold. All right, guys, this is my lunch for today. It is this ginormous, delicious salad with grilled chicken and bacon and cheese, cucumbers, tomatoes, all that stuff's in there, I promise. I know you can barely see it, but anyway, this is my lunch. It looks like a huge salad. I know that's because it is. So anyway, that's gonna be my lunch, and it may be my dinner the way it's looking right now. But yeah. We are literally in a sea of snow, guys.
Be careful. Oh my God. Look at this. See how deep it is?
Yes. This is almost scary.
Oh my gosh. It's like,
Guys, so we are literally like in a sea of snow here. Like a sea, don't do that. No. We are in a sea of snow. And,
be careful, like.
and it's still snowing. I don't know if you guys can see the snow flurries. It's still snowing here. Our neighbors are out playing in the snow as well. Say that again. What's going on?
Running.
Girl, you ain't gonna make it far. It's somebody's birthday today. Angelina's sweet 16. And although COVID and freezing temperatures are keeping us from the type of celebration we had planned on having on her sweet 16, we are still going to celebrate this day because, yeah, she's still happy in spite of. So Angelina wants waffles for breakfast, and so waffles she shall get because that's how we do it around here. We don't just do Eggo waffles, we do homemade waffles. The best there are. So yeah, she's getting waffles, and the thing is, I had to use an egg substitute, and so for the first time I used egg substitute, and actually these waffles are prettier than they are when you use the regular egg. So we will see what they taste like. That is the question. How do they taste? We shall see.